Question number 9. A brooch is made with silver wire in the form of a circle with diameter 35 millimeter. This is a brooch made with silver wire. The diameter of this circle is 35 millimeter. The wire is also used in making 5 diameters. You can count the diameters here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Which divide the circle into 10 equal sectors as shown in figure 12.12. Now these are the sectors 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Find first one, the total length of the silver wire required. The area of each sector of the brooch. So one circumference and then 10 diameters. Total length will be the length of silver wire. If there are 10 sectors, what will be the angle of each sector? 360 divided by 10, 36 degree. That means theta is 36 degree. So taking theta as 360, we have to calculate area of each sector. Question number 9, solution. D equal to 35 millimeter. Theta equal to 360 divided by 10, that is equal to 36 degree. Total length of wire is equal to circumference of circle plus ten into diameter, because there are only 5 diameters are there. Right? 10 radii will be there, 10 sectors will be there, but 5 diameters are there. Plus diameter into 5. That is equal to 2 into pi value not given. So you have to take 22 by 7 only. 2 pi r. That means d by 2 we have to take. Radius is d by 2. Plus d into 5. Plus d into 5. You can take d outside. Inside the bracket you will have, cancelling these two 2's, 22 by 7 into if I take d common outside 1 plus 5. D is 35. 22 plus taking LCM 35 divided by 7. . 35 into 57 divided by 7. 7 1 ja, 7 5 ja. 5 7 ja, 35. 5 5 ja, 25 plus 3, 28. 285 millimeter. Very correct. The length of silver wire used is equal to 285 millimeter. Now we have to calculate. Area of each sector equal to theta by 360 into pi r square. That is 36 by 360 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 whole square. This will be now millimeter square. Area will be in millimeter square. One ja 10 ja. 1 by 10 into 22 by 7 into 35 by 2 into 35 by 2. 2 1 ja, 2 11 ja. 5 2 ja. 5 7 ja, 7 1 ja, 7 1 ja. So we'll have 11 into 35 divided by 4. That is equal to 385 by 4. 385 by 4 you have to calculate. Yes. 96.25 is correct. So area of one sector is 96.25 millimeter square.